In this video, I'm going to teach you how to create a click to call or mail to link in HubSpot. In order to do that, you first need to head over to the website page that you want to edit. I have in here my website from HubSpot, and for this case, you just need to highlight the text that you want to add a link. For example, right here, I'll highlight right here the actual text for this how you solve. Once that's been highlighted, the next thing we need to do is we just need to click on the link icon that will appear from there. Click on this link and then input right here the link text as well as the link to. You can choose URL or other options. On this case, you can choose phone link. So in this case, you can choose meeting and then choose a meeting that's available. Or you can also choose right here phone links if it's available as well. Let's choose email address for the mail too. And then input right here your email. After that, input right here the link text. And after this, click on insert. And in here, this will be added right there. You can just apply the link and preview it if available. So that's all there is today. If you haven't signed up for HubSpot yet, make sure to sign up using our affiliate link in the description below. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in my next video.